Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. It's almost Mother's Day, and today we'll be treating Mom with a decorated bottle, and the best part is that this DIY can be a centerpiece afterwards and be used as home decor. To get started, you'll need a bottle of their favorite drink, apple cider, whatever you want to gift for Mother's Day. We had this one left over from an event that we'll be using as an example. Make sure to get styrofoam or floral foam and cut out the center to fit over the top. You can also use green blocks like we're doing here with real or artificial flowers. They come in so many shapes. Then take your silk flowers and add them to the foam. Make sure that the flowers have enough stem length, about 2 inches at least. We're using a mix of artificial open roses and silk rose buds for this project. And if you have any leaves, use them to cover any gaps between the silk flowers. It looks gorgeous already, but we still have a few finishing touches. So we used our Cricut to craft a sticker, but you can add a paper tag instead or gift this with a greeting card. For the finishing touch, we're adding a bit of festive ribbon and a cute little heart that matches the flowers for a little pop of color. So now, when you're done celebrating, you can use the top of this gift, the silk flowers, and simply put them in a vase. In our case, we had some farmhouse decor that we were using, this cute little mini bucket. And then it can be enjoyed for as long as you want. We hope you have fun celebrating Mother's Day, and if you try this DIY, let us know. There's so many possibilities, and we'd love it if you shared your creative creations with us. You can add a comment or tag us on Instagram at BalsaCircle, and make sure, if you haven't already, that you click that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on DIYs and our creative ideas. Until next time, stay creative.